Oh no. I got you too.
Yep, this one. And then that one. Good job.
No.
Is it my turn?
Yes.
What color did I get?
Red. Double red.
Nope, just one red.
Only one red.
Okay, your turn.
Green. Double green.
Okay, so where do you go? Over here.
Two red.
What game are we playing?
Candyland.
Do you like Candyland?
Yeah.
Do you like the candies on it?
Yes.
And what else?
Cookie man.
The gingerbread man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gingerbread.
What color are you? Are you blue or green?
Blue. Green.
You're green, yeah. Okay. Who's going to win the game?
Me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay, it's my